So when we talk about success, what we're actually talking about is the path to success. There are many things one could be successful at, because there are so many things we have the opportunity to do during our time on Earth. You can't, however, be successful at all of them. So, the most important part of being successful is to know where you want to put your energy. This is often one of the hardest things for most people to do. We human beings can suffer from something known as choice paralysis, where we're presented with lots of options that all seem equally good. Instead of making a choice, we then dither for ages and perhaps end up doing nothing at all. Success is therefore a process, one which requires us to look a little deeper at our own motivations and the steps and strategies we have to take in order to realize it. Success is the product of several other factors that come together in different ways that not even people who are successful can always clearly explain. So, what are these factors? Here are some of the most important ones. A clear, achievable goal. A strong desire to realize that goal. A strategy and plan towards reaching that goal. Having the right resources. Being in the right place and time. Making the most of opportunities. Success is hardly ever accidental, but the truth is that in whatever we do, luck plays either a negative or positive role. There are some things we have complete control over, things that we can only influence, and then again, things that we have no control over whatsoever. Achieving success often depends on being able to tell the difference between these things, which is something we'll take a look at in this course.